Hi, this video is about the Nova Folding Bed Wedge, a great addition to your bed, not only for recovery, but it really is a great wedge for lounging and sleeping. So our bed wedge comes in two different colors. We've got the white and also the navy blue. These covers are very durable but soft, and they have a zipper cover so you can remove the foam and easily wash the covers. They come in three different sizes. We have the 7.5 inch, 10 inch, and 12 inch, and you can use them in three different ways. So the first way you can use it is up against your bed as a great lounge pillow. So sitting up like this, it's just the perfect support for reading or watching TV. And in a folded position, you can use it as a pillow table. So the foam is very firm, which is great for that support, but that firmness also allows me to use it as a table. So I can just put my iPad up here or your remote, and it's a great support table, but also you can use it if you want to rest your arm. All right, so as a wedge, as a sleeping pillow, it really does help with relieving that pressure on your back, but it's also great for people with respiratory issues, digestive issues, or even sleep issues. All right, so the first size we have is a 7.5 inch, and this gives you the lowest elevation. So this elevation is going to be about 17%. So you see here that it almost has me flat, just giving me that slight elevation at 17 degrees. All right, so the next one is the 10 inch wedge, and that will give you a 22 degree elevation. See a little bit higher here. And then the 12 inch wedge gives you the highest elevation at 27%. So you see the elevation that I have here. All right, those are the Nova folding wedges. You're going to love it. It's a great accessory for your bed to give you comfort and support. And as with all of Nova products, it comes with our care and use information and how to contact us anytime.